No catch, no strings attached, no smoke and mirrors. Please open your mind to the possibility that what you're about to see is real. UC has been many years in the making. We have taken suggestions from thousands of affiliates over the years to perfect a unique and incredible platform for our members to succeed. UC was built by the people, for the people. In fact, we have created the most powerful turnkey, foolproof system in the world today. If you're serious about achieving total financial freedom, then you are finally at the right place at the right time. The system is really quite simple. Don't let that fool you. It's very powerful. For a small one-time entry of only $25 with no startup admin fee, you begin a process that has the potential to increase your bank account fast. We have perfected a global 100% net payout platform where people just like you can prosper. Our direct member-to-member tracking software will tell you who to pay, how much, where, and any specific methods of receipt the UC member accepts. It's brilliant, and it all works behind the scenes without effort by you. You simply pass along the UC story to others, and we take it from there. We also have incredible products that you can review on our site as well. Your membership includes a replicated tracking system, updates on the site in multiple languages, site maintenance, lead capture page system with autoresponder, mobile apps, a members-only internal advertising banner system, support, and more. We urge you to get started today. Just $25 can get you started on your path to financial freedom. We obviously can't do it for you, but we can give you the system to make it simple and easy to get there. If you have any questions, get back to the person that referred you to Ultimate Cycler, or just click on the join link on this page to get started today.